the bell tower that chimed at midnight. Long abandoned, the Greystone Chapel stood at the edge of the valley, its steeple leaning from decades of wind and rain. Inside, pews lay scattered, stained glass, long, shattered. But the turret's bell, gone for more than 70 years, still seemed alive. Every night, as the clock struck 12, a single bell chime echoed across the hills. It wasn't loud, but clear, resonant, and strangely mournful. Locals claimed it began the day Father Whitcomb died. The priest, a solemn and devoted man, had died in his sleep, clutching a rusted bell rope. Visitors often found the tower colder than the air outside. Some heard quiet Latin prayers whispered in the wind. Others claimed to see candlelight glowing through broken windows. No one knew why he remained, only that he died a lonely priest, forever calling out to a congregation that no longer came. In 1975, a traveling journalist named Thomas Penwell decided to investigate the legend. He arrived with cameras, audio recorders, and an open mind. Setting up in the chapel before dusk, he documented the decay. As midnight neared, Thomas sat quietly in a front pew, watching the empty pulpit. When the first chime sounded, every recorder went dead. A second chime followed, though none had ever been reported before. Then silent. He reviewed the tapes later and found something chilling. In the dead static of the recording, just after the first chime, a single word emerged: Sancta. Intrigue. Thomas returned every night for a week. Each time, the bell chimed, once more than the previous night. On the 7th night, as it chimed 7 times, Thomas saw Hema silhouette at the pulpit, arms raised in silent blessing. By it, but there was no head. Thomas left that night and never returned. He wrote a book titled The Empty Pulpit, dedicating it to the man who still prays for those who forgot how to listen.